It's the one composed in 17th century Icelandic. So the backstory of it is that there's a poet in Iceland born in the year 1600 called Thorbjörn. And he was a poet and a blacksmith and a farmer. So he was standing outside his farm, hammering his iron, when a group of travelers comes by. And the travelers want to know where to pass the river. He throws forth this little sort of occasional quatrain to explain, this little rhymed poem to explain where they should pass the river. But what the travelers didn't know was that Thorbjörn was having a very bad day. So he gave them the wrong advice. He sent them to the worst possible place to pass the river, and they all drowned and died. In 17th century Iceland, poetry was not a mere talent, it was a gift from God. And what God did is he took the gift away, because he did not appreciate what Thorbjörn was doing. And from that moment on, he was known as Æri Toppi, which means mad Toppi, because he continued writing poetry through sheer stubbornness, but none of it made any sense. So there was a line here and there, and a word here and there that would make sense. But what I did is I took all of his work, his collected work, and I removed the few sentences that actually made sense, and I made a collage out of the rest of them. And it's called Úr Órum Toppa. Axarsax, lax, axarsax, lax, hoppara, poppara, stagra, neckling, steklings, veckling, skögula, högula, skögula, hröfra, flotið, humra, skotið, axarsax, lax, agra, vampara, Ambra, vambra, skrambra, sker, þambra, rambra, ræsis, þuslega, ró, frugga, frum, skröfra, röfra, ræfil, hrungli, hagra, gagra, skruggu, skrungli, imbrum, kimbrum, æsingur, þambra, vambra, þeysins, brattin, fríari, bríarum, agra, gagra, vambara, þambara, Agra, gegru, glostögl og gegra rambið, hrjónúskot og hyrjar gat á ruldara þili, gagra, stiklu, gegru, strambið, dandala, vandala, dæsis, grund, þundar, undur, þrautum, réttir, verkara, gargara, gresjugram, gaula, auðli, baulu, fjósi, urgara, purgara, eisjast fram, agra, gagra, vambara, þambara, Viggra, þokkara, búgrar, brúgrar, frugrar, skrúgrar, frá því skritti, dompara, stampara, dumparar, bumpara, frumbara, thumbara, fjandans lómur, ára, teksa, priksum, krunkum, neklastús og nafrapús, glastra, stýr og kjól. Hagra, skruggu, skröngli, nímira, stímira, randa, röngli, hagra, skruggu, skró, nímira, stímira, randa, ró, hagra, vampara, þambara, hurðju, tölti, haktaskló, hagra, skruggu, skó, þambra, rambra, ræsis, ró, vargara, gargara, gresjugram, gaula, auðli, baulu, fjósi, urgara, purgara, eisjast fram, hattafur, gattafur, mókara, köli, drullara, heli, agra, þambara, Oglara, goglara, urnist, regur, ilja, salt, einnin veltir mér svig, öldu bryggs við úlfasker, ára, dyggs á krunkum, rolla, sat á rulli, rollara, heli, rolla, sat á rulli, rultara, þili, hollara, þó í bullara, gili, agra, vambara, Agra, steinum, agra, dæsing steinum, agra, þambara,